What are requests for production in a Texas personal injury lawsuit? Yep, we're going to need some basic information from you, sir, if we're going to evaluate your car wreck. Number one, I need documents of every place you've ever lived in your entire life from the moment you were born. Number two, I need every doctor that you have seen in the past 200 years. Number 78, I'm going to need a photo of the inside of the trunk of your vehicle that was in the accident from your point of view as if you were stuffed inside of the trunk. Number 7, we're going to actually need a blood sample from you, if you could get that to us by tomorrow. Requests for production in your personal injury case are simply just the other side asking for copies of essentially your evidence or anything that could be related to your case. In most injury cases, the defense is going to ask for copies of your driver's license, your medical records, your hospital visits. If you're seeking lost wages, they're going to ask for copies of your lost wages, either from you or your employer. They're going to ask for any photographs, videos, or anything from the accident. They might ask for your cell phone. They might ask for your emails or your text messages. Your lawyer will help you navigate as to which requests for productions are appropriate and which are not appropriate. And sometimes the lawyers have to go to court and argue about which items you should have to produce and which ones you do not have to produce. Number 3, I'm going to need a copy of your parents' driver's license. Number 88, we're going to need copies of every piece of evidence that you're going to use against my client at trial that prove that they ran over you. In most cases, I simply tell our clients, you're going to have to give over more than you want, whether you think it's relevant or it isn't. Number 32, I'm going to need an active stool sample. Most defense lawyers really only want to see documents that really relate to the accident. Although it seems like they're invading your personal life, the defense lawyer is just trying to get all the information they can to help evaluate your case or evaluate what evidence you might be using to support your case. Sometimes they step out of bounds, and you got to talk with your lawyer and watch out for those circumstances. So if you get a set of requests for productions in your personal injury case, give everything to your lawyer. Give more than you might think you need to. Your lawyer will help parse out what's relevant, what's not relevant, and what needs to be given over, but always be over inclusive with your lawyer so they don't have to keep coming back to you for more and more documents. Number 55, your soul. You're just going to need your soul.